Roborock's latest announcements are sure to have your home sparkling clean as we kick off 2026. Real quick, if you want to keep up to date with all the latest Apple news and reviews, hit that subscribe button. At the beginning of January, I took on the crowds and the inevitable sickness that followed to travel to Las Vegas and trek around the annual Consumer Electronics Show, CES 2026, baby. At the show, I saw all sorts of new tech that will soon be available, like pop-up displays for your Mac and UWB smart locks. But I also got to spend some time at the Robo Rock booth, whose bots have consistently been among my favorite smart vacuums out there. They were one of the very first to support Matter and bring RoboVacs to the Apple Home app. This year, they were kind enough to also sponsor this video, so I could take some time in demoing all of their new robots, including the Saros 20, Qrevo Curve 2 Flow, Rockmo X1 LiDAR, and the insane Saros Rover. Seriously, hang out till the end to see this thing in action. I am so energized by the robotic vacuum category. I remember the early days that needed physical radar barriers set up in each room, and the cleaning was basically random. Like they were pretty terrible. Let me know in the comments, did you ever try any of the early robotic vacuums? Isn't it nuts how far they have come? What I love about Roborock's announcements is that they're putting a lot of focus on their app updates, which means that everyone will benefit, new and existing owners alike. One of the big app features is the SmartPlan. I think this is brilliant. When you go to clean your home, it uses AI to understand each room to develop a cleaning plan. It knows what order to clean the rooms and what specific cleaning needs they may have. Like your den just needs a once-over, but the bedroom will get a second round of vacuuming. It will also identify rooms like the kitchen and bathroom for smart remop. This is where it'll go out, mop it all clean, then go back to the base station before doing a final mopping for a perfect finish. It's so cool how it does all this stuff automatically, and you can just send it out with the press of a single button. It also ties in super well with having pets. We have 3 dogs, 3 cats, 2 bunnies. Fortunately, Roborock can identify pets and avoid them as it's going. It'll even vacuum more intensely in pet-sensitive areas. My favorite, though, is that you can literally tell it to find your pet, and the robot will go around your house and find them. There is such a difference in a vacuum and a mop that understands your home. Like when Roborocks can detect carpet, it'll have a special carpet cleaning strategy, like automatically removing the mops and boosting suction. And Roborock now detects more than 200 different obstacles in your home with AI, and it knows how to deal with them. So it certainly will not be running over any pet droppings or unruly cables. If you're looking for a new 2-in-1 robotic vacuum and mop, Roborock did have several on display and shipping soon. The most popular, I think, may be the Qrevo 2 Flow. It has a brand new multifunction dock that looks super sleek. This vacuum uses a traditional roller mop design, but has a lot more intelligent features than you probably have seen before, including over the original and very popular Qrevo. For example, the mop will now extend out to the side to get right up against the wall while mopping to leave no uncleaned areas. The mop also has even water dispersal all across the top, so there's no dry spots or water congregating on the mop. And it even has a unique spiral flow self-cleaning system for the mop so that it won't spread messes around your floors. What I think is really helpful too is that it presses down while it's mopping. It presses down with the force of a firm wipe, which is 2.5 times the pressure of the original model. That's going to make sure it's wiping up those really dirty messes. Vacuuming is still very impressive with this model too, though, so don't worry about that. It now has 20,000 pascals of suction to pull up all of that dirt from your floors. Its 2-piece brush also does a great job at not getting tangled by hair. The hair is actually pulled to the center and then suctioned away. Best of all, when it goes on carpet, Its innovative roller shield will extend to cover the mop, so that way there is zero contamination from your mop in the water to your carpet. It can do a whole lot more, but I only have so much time in this video, so if you have questions about it, let me know down below in the comments. I can definitely cover these two in a different video, but Roborock also introduced new additions to its Saros line at CES. They're even more capable than ever before, and if you want to peek at the future, Roborock showed off the Saros Rover. This is going to be a real product that the company is going to release, but it's a robotic vacuum that will climb stairs and even cleans them as it goes. I have never seen a robotic vacuum cleaner do that. It's also like pretty good at dancing. I've tested a lot of robotic vacuums, and anyone who follows the channel knows that I typically default to Robo Rock models. I'm very excited with all the new AI enhancements and app updates that the brand has cooking, and I can't wait to try out the new models for myself. If you're interested in the new Qrevo 2 Flow, I put a link in the description. Thank you again to Roborock for sponsoring this video and CES, and see you all next time.